One of the great things about improv is that it works across the board for all ages in any scenario, from kindergarten to the office corporate team building exercises. And this game is no exception. Super simple, super engaging. You're gonna wanna check it out. Stay tuned. The alphabet game. What could be simpler than the alphabet? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's it. That's all there is to the game. If you can remember the alphabet and the order of the letters, you can play this game. That's why this game is especially good for your early learners. But it works just as well for high schoolers. It really does work for any age. So all you do is this. You come up with a scenario. Like, let's say you're at the zoo. All right, and you're gonna have a conversation between two people. So you choose two people from your Zoom meeting, Brenda and Todd, all right, whatever. And Brenda and Todd begin this conversation. So they're at the zoo, and the first sentence from the first person has to begin with an A and go sequentially through all the letters of the alphabet. And the first person to falter, whatever, loses. But that's really not the point. The point is to be effectively listening, to make sure you build upon the story that's being told, and you don't just come out of left field, but that you actually stay true to the narrative of the tale. So for example, in this situation, we're at the zoo and we start with A. Are you the zookeeper? Buddy, can't you read my name tag? Can you tell me the way to the monkey house? Don't you know how to read signs? They're posted all over the place. Monkey house, monkey house, monkey house, monkey house. Excuse me for bothering you. Forget about it. Good grief, I just want some directions. How are you supposed to find your way to the monkey house when you can't even read the simple signs? I don't know. Just take a walk, pal. K. What do you do with K? Hey, you know, improv is not easy when you're socially distanced and you're doing it all by yourself. But you get the idea, right? And you just make your way through the entire alphabet and see how far you can get. You can apply this game to any area, really. I mean, if you're working on a novel, if you're working on, let's say, The Outsiders, hey, do a scene between Johnny and Ponyboy or something, right? If you're working on fairy tales, maybe you can do fairy tale characters. If you're working on, if you're in in the corporate world, it's a good way to brainstorm ideas, to really get the creative juices flowing. It's a great way to train kids to listen, to listen effectively, and again, to build upon what they are given using that foundation of improv, yes and. Because it's so important that they stick with the story and that they help each other by working collaboratively to tell the tale, rather than just coming out of left field and saying whatever, comes to mind using whatever letter is next. So it's a tremendous game. It's so much fun. Your 5-year-olds are gonna love it just as much as your 18-year-olds, and I know plenty of 40-year-olds that love it too. So hey, if you're getting value from this, be sure to smash that like button and comment down below. Let me know if you use any of my games. I would love to hear from you, and I'd love to know what's working. But also, tell me what's not working. Tell me some challenges that you're facing, whether or not it's not working too well via Zoom. I mean, some of these games may not work too well for you because of, I don't know, audio issues or connectivity issues. So if you have any suggestions as to how to make these games better, again, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Hey, if you like this game, check this one out. This is another one of my favorites. You're gonna have a blast, I promise you. And if you enjoy my channel, why not subscribe? And then you'll catch all the videos as soon as they're released. Take care of yourselves out there. Take care of someone else. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.